Okay, it is March 2nd, 10:30 a.m. Around 12 a.m. last night, we've gotten some snow. And this is the second day. This is being recorded on a Canon FS100 at this time. I may switch it over to a high definition to post this on Vimeo. Got some icicles. People should not be driving if they don't have to. Different parts of Jersey and New York City may see a foot. Depends. It's not really a lot of snow, if you think about it. Look at the roofs on across the street. Nothing on it. Look out here. Nothing much. Look at the road. Nothing much. This ain't really a major snowstorm like they said, but this snowstorm tonight is going up to New England and Maine, and it may pick up. Okay, I think I can wrap this up and use my high definition for a change. I'll see if I can get it uploaded on YouTube without any issues. What they say. If this storm continues later on, I'll take more video. But I don't see anything going to get any worse than this, I don't think. This might be the snow showers they talked about. I'll be right back. Okay guys, 11:34, March 2nd, and the snow's still coming down pretty hard. Over the plow now. Let me try snow mode. Right back. It's still snowing pretty hard. Take a look over here. Okay guys, this might wrap it up now. It's gonna do this all day, maybe this snow showers possibly. I don't think another same snowstorm. Probably just snow flurries, snow showers.